Hey guys, it's Berry Insane here, and I'm just going into the fruit patch to take a look at some blackberries today because I think they're ready for testing and picking. So let's take a look at them. So these blackberries are Ouachita, and you can see here there's a few nice big juicy ones that I've been waiting to ripen up. You don't really get a good idea of the size of these just by looking at them. So, in terms of, how big compared to my finger, I mean, they're pretty big. So what we're going to do with a few of these is pick them, and then we're going to test them on the bricks machine to see exactly what, there we go, there's still a little bit of give there. I'm wondering whether I should wait a little more. Let's kind of see whether there's any of the others are better to take. Just want to make sure they come off easily. No. God, I was hoping to test them on the bricks machine today, but I think I'm going to give it a little more time because I want to make sure I pick them just when they come off easily, so I know that they're fully ripe and fully ready for picking. So I think maybe I'll try again tomorrow and see what happens. Well, it's a nice day today. Sorry about the windy noise yesterday picked up by the microphone. Hopefully it'll be a little bit less today. So we're back in the fruit patch today, and today's the day. No matter what the pull is on this berry, I'm going to pick it and test it for bricks. So it's going to happen. It's a nice morning, and the question is which one. I think maybe this one. Apparently you can tell if they're ready when the skins go a tiny bit matte. They start off as very shiny. So this particular one here, I'm going to pick that one and then take that inside and mush it all up and do a bricks test on it. So let's have a go at that. And there we go. So you can see the size of this thing. So it's like, almost half a finger worth of size. I mean, it's a pretty great berry. So this is great for a bricks test. And if this is very nice and tasty and sweet, I'll come and pick the other two that are here ready and eat them. So, what do you guys reckon this is going to get on the bricks? It could get anything from 7 to 15. We'll see exactly what it is in terms of sweetness. Okay, so this is the big moment. We have this great big, amazingly juicy blackberry, which is absolutely enormous, and we're going to do a bricks test. My guess, my hope, is between 8 and 12 bricks value for sweetness, but we'll see. So the first thing we're going to do is chop a little bit off. Keep the bottom of it because that might be pretty good to eat, and then we're going to mush it so that we get enough liquid. Look at that, look, this should be great. Enough liquid to actually put into the bricks tester. So it looks very promising. Okay, so let's turn the machine on, and we take the pipette and we're going to get as much of this liquid as possible into the machine. Sometimes takes a few goes, but it's got to be kind of mostly filled up with liquid. And mush it needs to be, let's liquefy it a little bit more and get some more liquid. Sometimes it's not easier to pick it up in the pipette, but we'll try and fill it all up. Almost there. Try and get a bit more liquid. Okay, right. Now that's done. This is the reckoning, and you click on the measure button and it's going to generate the bricks value. Wow, 10.6 is pretty good. It's right up there at the top level of sweetness. So clearly this berry was picked at the right time, and it's given me a really good value. Very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed this bricks test. Back with me for more berry videos soon.